Hello everyone. Embracing Tesla strategy, NIO adopts 0% interest policies, potentially revolutionizing affordability in China EV market. Tesla has made some changes that I see NIO also following in terms of policies, specifically offering 0% interest. Right now, they are offering this for Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X in China, where typically there is a 3% interest rate. So, you can get Tesla at a very affordable price. Tesla hadn't offered 0% interest since 2019, so it's been quite a while. NIO has also previously offered 0% interest, and it has been quite successful. Many people have purchased cars because of this. And when you used to publish monthly policies for sales and sales incentives, people always demanded 0% interest. Now that Tesla has made this available, there are high chances that NIO will also offer 0% interest. So, this would be a big no-brainer because you wouldn't be paying any extra interest. You would just be paying off the car slowly over 3 or 5 years. This will encourage many people to buy NIO, especially with the incentives already in place such as subsidies, a free NIO phone, and free swap vouchers. This is definitely a strategy that NIO might adopt because Tesla has just done it today. And China has eased auto loan restrictions. They didn't allow 0% down payments essentially. But now you can take 0% down payments for most new energy vehicles, although NIO has actually been offering 0% down payments from before, so that policy has always been there for NIO. But the 0% interest scheme will be a game changer. This scheme will boost sales significantly. Now NIO is also offering subscriptions in China like they do in Europe, although subscriptions are not very popular in China. But many people still choose them, and they are announcing a lot of subsidies and incentives for subscriptions in China. Like if you subscribe to a car for 3 years, you get a big discount. You also get a free NIO phone. And it's almost the same cost to buy a car and to subscribe to it. Subscribing is slightly cheaper. And there are more benefits from NIO, like if you subscribe to NIO and then decide to buy it, you get a lot of incentives, big discounts. Now, guys, here's another news that the 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack is rolling out from the production line. And there are some unverified images suggesting that the 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack is already available in some swap stations. So this is very interesting. Indeed, this battery will only be for rent. NIO CEO had said this before because its cost is quite high. And it is also true that buying that battery pack is useless when you can easily upgrade. So they will make them in smaller proportions, maybe 2 or 3 more per swap station. And that is enough for people. When you need it, you can rent it. So this is very interesting. But the most amazing thing will be the 50 kilowatt-hour city range battery pack. It will actually reduce NIO base price significantly. So buying the whole car battery pack will be quite cheap because the battery pack is also cheap. So this will also make the car quite affordable and increase sales even more. Also, friends, the economy is doing quite well in China. They have removed the restrictions on buying houses. Earlier, you needed to have a few years of social insurance payments in that city to buy a house, usually 3 to 5 years. But now that has been completely removed. So now everyone has a chance. If you have money, you can go and buy a house. And the impact of this is that there has been a 200% annual increase in second-hand home transaction volume. So yes, people have bought a lot of houses and also sold them. So there are a lot of transactions happening. This means that the economy is quite vibrant. It's also very interesting that you know about auto trading programs, where you trade in your old car for a new one, and essentially sell your old car to the manufacturer or a car company, like NIO. But now there's also trading for homes, which is quite crazy if you think about it. What nonsense is this? Trading homes. Basically, you can sell your house. For example, if there's a new housing project and you have an existing home, you can sell it to the company for the new project, and then they will buy your house and you can buy their brand new home basically. And it works like that. And this will also increase demand rapidly. So, this is quite interesting. You're not just selling homes to other civilians who are buyers, but you're also selling homes to big companies involved in brand new housing projects. So, this is quite interesting in China. This will definitely significantly increase housing prices. So, the economy is doing quite well, actually. And many other cities are following in the footsteps of Hangzhou and removing restrictions on buying homes. So, for many cities, it's a free-for-all, and even in Beijing, in the surrounding area, not to the city center, but in nearby areas, more unique policies are being implemented. It's getting a bit strange in China, isn't it? Yes, the economy is indeed recovering, and you must have noticed that the Producer Price Index (PPI) is rising. So, it's very good that the economy is expanding its territory again. And of course, there is intense competition. But we are close to a bottom with NIO stock, and look at what NIO is doing. They are selling in bulk to second-hand dealers. They are offering incentives to partner with live streamers to sell more cars and spread the word. So, very good things are happening, and their sales deliveries are doing quite well. This will be evident soon, very soon. April is definitely going to be another good month. We will see a solid year-over-year increase in deliveries. Last year, April deliveries were quite impressive, right? There were almost 6,000 deliveries in April last year. So yes, this year April deliveries will be much better than last year. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.